Assalamu alaikum class. This is your second lesson of general science. In this you will study body parts of cow and an insect. The first picture is the picture of a cow and the main body parts have written. Let's read them. Horns, horns. ये जो सींग है ना इनको बोलते हैं horns. Few animals have horns, not all. Hooves, hooves. These are legs of the cow and these are hooves. You have seen, I think you have seen, this is tail, tail. Now repeat these all 3 times. This is the picture of insect and here are its body parts. These are 2 antennas of this insect. Not every insect have antennas, but a lot of insects have antennas. These are 2 antennas of this insect. Antennas, wings. These are wings. Some insects do not have wings, like ant. Wings. This is the head. Head is not written in this picture, but you can see this is the head and there are 2 eyes. Behind the head, this is the part and you call it thorax, 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 and this is the third last part and we call it abdomen, 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 and these are legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. Mostly insects have 6 legs. So 3 main body parts. One is head, second is thorax, third is abdomen. And these are the wings and these are 2 antennas. Now repeat these all body parts 3 times. After practicing fish, bird, insects and cow body parts, you should answer these questions. Question 1 to 6. Question 1 is what does a bird have to cover its body? You have to tell. You can tell me in one single word. Question number 2. What does a fish has on its body? Question number 3. How do birds fly in the sky? Question number 4. What does help a fish to swim in water? Question number 5. Tell the names of body parts of a bird. Question number 6. Tell the names of body parts of a fish. You have to give answers for these questions independently. Means you should practice in this text and with these diagrams and then you can give the answers. You should learn the answers orally. This is only oral work.